for public office next year. But because of this, at least one person on the internet has voiced her urgent wish that I should die before 6 years. It is up to you whether to accommodate the macabre wishes of that person. But as for me, I tell you today, I have passed through the hardest of all physical trepidations and hardships known to man. Cancer is not an easy disease to have. And still, thereafter, I decided after consultation with my panel of doctors from St. Luke's Hospital that it should be up to me to decide on whether or not I should campaign for president again. My answer is this. Do you want a clean government? Do you want a courageous government? Do you want a government of, by, and for academic excellence? If that is the case, do you want me to... Alam mo, napansin ko sa Senado, hindi naman pala mahirap na ipunin ang pera ng gobyerno. Ang problema lang sa atin, sa bansa natin ito ay una, ang nagsasalita, yun din ang magnanakaw. Pangalawa, pag nagsasalita sila, kunwari laban sila sa graft and corruption, maling-mali pa ang English nila. At pangatlo, ninanakaw nila ang pera ng gobyerno para pag nakuha nila lahat ng pera, ibibili nila uli ng boto ng taong bayan. At sa ganung paraan, wala nang katapusan ang pagnakaw ng ating pera. This must stop. Kaya, subukan ko pa rin ang lahat ng magagawa ko. Itong tumatanda na ako. Kasama mo ako? Hindi mo lang alam ang ugali ko. Basta ako, isigi ba't isigi itong ating laban sa ating bansa. Nag-eskwela ako sa Amerika, nag-eskwela ako sa England. Kung saan-saan ako nag-eskwela. Hindi ako tatanggap na matatalo ako ng ano pang bansa. Tayo ang magaling. Filipinos, believe in yourself. Have faith in the Filipino. For, as poetry says, it matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. Thank you very much for becoming the captain of your soul. Thank you.